In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a photo background in Microsoft Designer. Whether you're looking to enhance your project or just give your image a fresh new look, this simple process will help you do just that in just a few minutes. So let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open your web browser. You're going to want to search for Microsoft Designer. Once you've located the official site, click to access it. This should take you to the home page of Microsoft Designer, a user-friendly platform designed to bring your creative projects to life. Next, you'll notice a Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on this button to enter your credentials or follow the prompts if you need to set up an account. Signing in will allow you to access your projects and any media you've previously worked with or stored. Now that you're all signed in, find your existing project with the photo you intend to modify. Click on that project and then locate the background photo within it. Simply click on the background photo to select it. This will highlight the area you want to change and bring up the relevant editing tools you'll need to proceed. With your background selected, head over to the toolbar. On the far right end, you'll see a button labeled Replace. Click on this Replace button. It's your gateway to altering the background to fit your vision or creative needs. After clicking Replace, you have a couple of options to choose from. You can select an image from My Media folder, which includes any images you've pre-uploaded or saved within the platform. If you prefer to browse available options, you can also choose an image from Visuals. This section offers a variety of preset images and designs you might find suitable for your project. Finally, once you've made your choice and selected a new image, the platform will automatically adjust and replace the background of your photo with the one you've chosen. Feel free to make additional adjustments or modifications to align the new background seamlessly with your project's aesthetic. And there you have it. You've successfully changed a photo background in Microsoft Designer. Remember, experimenting with different visual elements can greatly enhance the overall look of your design. Don't hesitate to explore and get creative with the multitude of options available within the platform. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful and inspiring for your future design projects. Until next time, happy designing!